a lot of people are going to the gym with a thermos full of chai. Hey, what's up, guys? This is me, Esmatullah, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon in order to get all of my updates or upcoming videos. I've noticed that you might not know when I'm speaking Persian, but I've decided to make videos in English too, and that way I can improve my English as well. So let's do it. Okay, guys, I'm a little bit tired, so I don't know what do you do in your country when you get tired. But in Afghanistan, normally people make tea, or we can say chai. We usually drink chai when we get tired a little bit. It is the most common thing that we do in our daily life, daily basis, when you get tired. So you need to make some chai. You can drink a cup of chai and then you get relaxed. Now you can see I am trying to make some chai and I'm waiting for it. Another interesting thing people are doing in Afghanistan is this, that in these days, a lot of people are going to the gym with a thermos full of chai, and they use chai as pre workout, and even during the exercise, they drink a lot of chai. I think this is a normal thing that we do. I'm not a great fan of chai, but I sometimes drink chai saps or green tea. I don't know, it's a part of our culture. When you invite someone in your house, if you offer everything except tea, they will say they didn't welcome us very well. So, next time, if you invite someone from Afghanistan, you need to make some chai saps. All right, guys, our tea is ready. Chai is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all of my updates. And don't forget to hit the like button, and please comment down below, and don't forget to make some tea. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.